Hello everyone and welcome back to our English lessons. I'm Mr. Turner with Turner's Tutoring. We are going to get started with the lesson of Talk About Yourself, where we have been talking about different things that you can say to describe yourself. Let's go ahead and get into it. My name is Leah.
My name is Leah.
I am 38 years old.
I am 38 years old.
My hair is brown.
My hair is brown.
My name is Liam.
My name is Liam.
I have short hair.
I have short hair.
I can speak English and French.
I can speak English and French.
My name is Nyok Chow. I have long hair, and I am from California. I speak English and Vietnamese.
My name is Ngoc Chow. I have long hair and I am from California. I speak English and Vietnamese.
My name is Hector.
My name is Hector.
What is your name?
What is your name?
How do you spell your name?
How do you spell your name?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
What languages do you speak?
What languages do you speak?
How old are you?
How old are you?
What color are your eyes?
What color are your eyes?
Fantastic job, everyone. Thank you for joining me with our next English lesson, Talk About Yourself. Have a wonderful day. I am Mr. Turner with Turner's Tutoring. Please click like and subscribe.